So hello, it's time to unbox again. I would like to unbox my what's this? Newly purchased Sony SRS-XB33, the latest speaker from Sony. It runs for 24 hours and extra bass, waterproof, dustproof, blah blah blah. The feature of this one, I will show you the back portion of this. So, first, waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, and rustproof, and any other proof. Second, salt water resistant, live sound mode, Party Connect up to 100. I don't know what is this one. Party Connect. And USB Type-C. Speaker charging. X-balance speaker. Long battery up to 24 hour. Stereo pair. Speaker phone. Voice assistant function. And USB power port for smartphones. So now, without further ado, I would like to unbox this one. What is inside of this speaker? What's this one? Made from, I think, PNRC. So once again, the brand is Sony. This is the competitor of the, what's this? The JBL. What is inside the box? Or the cord. The cord maybe the cord maybe 60 centimeter long. 60 centimeter and the Type-C. The manual. And also this one. I don't know what is this one, but it is instructions. Step 1, step 1, step 2, step 3. By the way, guys, I'm sorry for the noise at the top of my flat, because even in my flat there's a construction going on. So this is it, pansit, and the other one is anyway, the same manual. So this is my Sony speaker. Button, power, Bluetooth, stopwatch, plus minus of the volume, the live and normal mode, boosters each side, and I will show you later the light effect of this one when you use this one. At the back, I cannot reach. I will use my power nail cutter to open this one. So the back portion of my speaker. By the way, guys, in my video, I already show you the comparison between the two speakers. I'm not telling you that this one is better than that one. It's up to you to choose. which compatible to your needs and to your requirements of of your, which is beautiful to your eyes. So this is it. This is the Sony SRS-XB33. Now I will show you the sound test. So ito na yung ano ko mga ka-project, yung Sony na speaker. I-sound check natin na i-sound test. On. Tadang! May ilaw-ilaw siya. Bluetooth connected. So, yung player kong gamitin, pinair ko siya sa laptop ko, tapos, sound check. So, hayun mga ka-project, ang testing natin sa speaker natin na Sony, ano ba to? SRS-XB33 model.
Bluetooth connected.